Hello all, welcome to UPSC in Focus. Today's topic is what is OCI? Do you know what an OCI card actually gives you and what it doesn't? OCI stands for Overseas Citizen of India. It's a lifelong multi entry visa, but not dual citizenship. India does not allow dual citizenship. What are the benefits of OCI? OCI holders get unlimited travel and stay in India, no FRR registration, NRA parity in education and economics. They can work as doctors, lawyers, CEs, architects. They can even be faculty at IITs and IIMs and AIMS. What is the eligibility? Anyone who was an Indian citizen on or after 26 January 1950, that is the commencement of constitution date, or their child, grandchild, or great grandchild is eligible. Minor children of Indian citizens and the foreign origin spouse of an Indian citizen or an OCI holder, provided the marriage has been registered and subsisting for at least 2 years, are also eligible for OCI card. Who are not eligible? If you, your parent, grandparent, or great grandparent was ever a citizen of Pakistan or Bangladesh, they are not eligible. If you are a foreign military or police personnel, then also are excluded. What are the rights denied for OCI? OCI is not a citizenship, so you cannot vote. That's section 16 of the RPI Act 1950. You cannot become president, vice president, or judge of the Supreme Court or High Court. You cannot contest elections to Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, or state legislatures, and you cannot hold public services under the union or states. For the latest updates, TIO cards have been officially merged with OCI, so they are no longer valid from March 2026. The EOCI portal makes applications fully online. A fast track immigration program has been introduced with biometric submission, and minor children cannot hold passport of any other country while holding Indian passport. For UPSC prelims and mains, know the articles that are prohibited for OCIs, RPS sections of 1950 and 1951, and what are the eligibility criteria. Follow UPSC in Focus for more such crisp current affairs. Thank you.